Alright, I have another unboxing here. Not really sure what it is, so let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. And what is this? Amazon... Oh, okay, I know what this is. Amazon Ethernet adapter. Yes, I bought one of these for my Amazon Fire Stick. Hoping to test it out later. Cool. It's pretty nice. Alright. And how do I open this? What the heck? I do this? What the? Oh, maybe I'm supposed to cut. Okay. This moves like this. Dude. Okay. So yeah, Ethernet adapter. This side goes into the Fire Edge. And we got our Ethernet and our output for the power. Cool. I think I'm going to be testing this out later to see how well it works. English. The Amazon Ethernet adapter is not compatible with the first generation Fire Stick. Cool. I have the second generation. Ethernet. Blah blah blah. Okay, Fire TV Stick. So this to that. That to that. Yes, okay. Cool. So yeah, this is the Ethernet adapter. Have a good one. Peace out.